Pacha for Madam say, sir, the kind yeah, in Ebu DC. Beginning now, I'm appointed now. I don't know a castle or with you, sir. I quite remember, say, yeah, in executives near MP, no quay meetings, say, the way I plant here, no, young, but Nim Dimudo. The way I young, so now I can't act here, or it is a rebel. My people need to pet no one. Actually, no one. I'm got some Yakala. A man was not to the Aquarius one. Say, and the average went to me Canotinaka. To be honest with you, Mammy Fast, like I say, Emma honorable more yourself. There, a contoment DC. Mammy Fast, like I say, so a year the MP, a year, and not some pine of the John of Water. Because to be honest, I hadn't we didn't see that our contom never passed him. The first DC or by honorable appear. Unfortunately, now do ye MP near NDC. It's the Bia Vetino, another peer could be another cobra. Where's an cobra NDC? DC is your MPP. There be a normal. To Vetina, we are doing to one we are called you, we are. Peace, Amaha. In 2009, NDC started to take over. Then you told Sandy Saba Power, there should be ever. And also the former MP, another cobra, and on one DC appointed, honorable, what do you call it, a year. Peter Nkwa, and also to Casa. You understand? And they pay us so by ya, and quite the boo. On one of them, you know, but to me, a blocky MP, no, a common fund. So, Omomu Egi and DC, adding an MP call a Puntuma. So, from Tama, one of our cabana, a Gina so called independent, every say to about year. Common fund, so we demand MP, no, a man a year check company, dear so, Omu do Omo MP Nabro. So, last time to say one station. Not only a year NDC communication director Negasa, no Casa, honorable recovery project, honorable Tete, any BC by ya, the J project in Twaso. But Oma Broke Papano, a recovery Nisika, and first Cana Amano, and a project of more Pandeno, it's as a panico independent. You understand? So, party any ADC ni MP Tokan Tokano, and Mempuntu Bacontona, and making it clear, and Mempuntu Bacontona. It's no yemi, said DC Amokon in chain. A honorable Amwa Yosen, any MP, almost 3 years, and I'm in Kabumo. May kind of crash them. It will be people keep on saying, and I control MP Bomarding, I control MP Bomarding, I control MP Bomarding. You understand? And some Bema Baba Bonto, Benyak Modern, Eddie Ebedje to Madua Montano, not or yet. I will form an matching. I can't Pagunasun, but the idea about Montan Bede, about the year at Jumana. So if you also Nanaso Pine Bomarding, a control Tumpona, and your combination of the DC, any MP in Kabum, any adventure of Biad Naki and Babuno, and a man's neighbor. Question beside me, dear, say, there might change this for good in India. O Krana Kabusa, Kawako Council, Papa, say a castle in Putuan and Bay campaign war, a control Nadia, and another Kamaka say NDC as in Yakan. Because NDC 12 years or a control city in Sono, and they are controlling Puntu Chile 16 years. The NDC 12 years as I was sitting in so a contourano, and the appointment puntu equal Chile for 16 years. And it NDC a contourano ebadane akate. ABC a contourment puntu so, and my puntu anchor for the 12 years. Say you honorable your Samuel ya or was this year this year. And then Peter factory and a contourman and say, Yaba pay a factory war, a contourman you be a chenzo. And you go to the other much you understand? What just I don't want you change so I have a baby. We understand. Clearly, no, say, within 3 years at DC, it's Simu Pampa with MP. A year one issue to offer to you, this should be an enemy. But we didn't in form as DC, as MP neighbor, being in Fallet and court, made endorsement account, and the Bocas more question with a factory, no, it's almost about 60-65% complete here. Yeah. Now, DC MP no, named us. We didn't abakwa semu aduma chase here. This year I akwa me da e wa kra point no. O se me se ku akontom na sit kwanu kra wie na se tu mi kra this year me be. En o se nya oyo mo fa kwan so mo akontom na pan. Sa ban wo do e this na se o monitor. Se this no engineers na wa se na monitor. Konota ni bibia no aye no kwa no ko. En na o de na si form ni MPD na si form. Akontom na enzawra krum. Ono ani krum na ye gu ni kota. You understand? It is a American said the crana, a Amwa Yosim Reso. On a water temreso, and then Zabra Krum, Besibema in Koduma Takrum, in Yakuta, and it is all bibi on president achi aka na mede be man e bi nsu adoma kuma mu dia na nti so da kokota ni dutu nya fa ye foforo so what say so credit no the DC no e modern bo any MP ni body bo no e na ma mansi no e jampo ko bi say yakuru e fu adoma kuma body ahase assembly budget ko twaso ko ni nim say babutwa yakuru kwazo but national budget last year media budget mo te say abamu a yakuru to board di kwan ebam what you say the DC ho e the senate command the MP had no push number of become one minister of finance and I capture and I know it's a very strong work on the contract basso. Ugo Krobin say it's so to Sampa DC MP for DC. Oh, a point I say, a boy coming a fast old MP fire, me about the letters also, and Negrida, a Buddhism, that was what on engineer road, a point of credence is the idea and a faso, and then Omukanika say, I bridges also unprecedented. You understand? No, you move on, you just over catch them and Zara market. And Zaura is one of the biggest towns, the second biggest town in Akontomre district. In fact, the former DC, a few Zara couldn't fear no. Ushia Udru. What is from a sentiment to Zara. And Zaura market, to be honest, me have the biggest market in Akontomre. And so if you are the man come about their chassis and Zaura are awesome, company are here to promote in Ano, if you bad leadership. Because a Moria Yamono, your tongue true. And catch ya yamono, a form of your tongue. Only need shares for a moton was here. If you had Mount Marshall here, Konamugo near Bukutana, market one go and I was a DC the native form said, one me come maybe DC. A Columbia mini MP, ya bet train like that. And me at the market where the market about. And the Mudu on ma, not just market, or to a modern market here, a warehouse, a cajon, almost every bosswa, you know about the end of this month, yeah, mono, as I'm a beautiful day. Unprecedented under the leadership of the MP and the DC. Some money in a cost the MP in DC Nicaboma Ecoso. But to be honest, in San Joe from Abba said ye need or minor a controlling humble. Not young one quiet, a teacher trying, but if only the band will be at the news of a teacher trying a DC and MP no name Abani Bituna. Near my DC in a another 4 years can't wait him. Near my MP need another 4 years can't hear him one. And you whom young one said, a contomna. Edin ebetene was a here at any other district. Sending a more than Motenon. It is a book beside the motherboard of saying this is boot for boot to a Nambia, better than the boot. I compare MPP boot. Mumusha charity and a auto. Because if you are no could be a phone or crackle. And just a stone true. If you had much as almost 90 about almost 45 minutes mobile school upon Tona. Moko DC no DC mle ya so okra kom ye school dan wi ye boso akontomna school ha yai ba bia moko ye na eye loro kwan no ho enunu bi su ho no wo ze tabodan bi won chen NDC adwapade amudi ja akontomna no no eche district capital kwala ko school tabodan the DC ba ye ni MP DC gina mu sa MP wo de wa kra o engwase omugum ha na no de an wo ban do na mkromu a se bi mu fi region na mo ba na kuntabodan ye de wa and MP neighbor, I'm a copy school down. This is a dual man of friends. Me and Pia in school down back where they battle. And I'm going to cage broke this one of fair method is not plan way unprecedented. The school that is self contained, but from Nashi inside. Be now called your swa, Coco opposite, almost see or method school one self contained. It didn't see that. You understand? But now the 12 years of NDC under her cabinet, the 8 years under Miss Mahama administration. Na papa dan no kwala no eguso ye dan eguase mo me di say mo ko administration block asem do no mo ko no mo as I speak to you now me ko me the district na coordinator office ni ho enti ene eye befended for ene eye non formal for the share one office over kon department be secretary na come one office ni akontomna district e more than 12 years but the NDC antimi am plan for akontomna district. And then Moko no Moko minimum Moko Chaya administrative block effect the whole western of the administrative block where channel conference work kakraka a room behind in the bathroom chair inside. The DC in Adawoma any policy team any MP Kasaya and neck project in the day basso. But me send my celebrino. I bet be no wait to me 4 years I certify Obianiga Mpuntu. You understand? Okra na and I'm more Mushemino or buy me and sa na se sebe na kuku anyway na o se to atare ma na obedi kan to baako na o hye baako bo se nyame adoma o cha meto mfa no anasa because o to ma ba kwa to kwa ba o to na gesi ni nyina bo anu mi sana de ade ababa mo ntimi nya ne sa ntimi nya the common fan so anti me bobo no agu ho no ma ba ma ya ma obia you understand keri ntu be ne den kaka babde me sesi me bo esa ma mi mo so under me DC ne me MP say there is no single community wa kontom na ye ba within the 3 years no ye project ho eba school dan mu a within the 3 years yetimi asi school dan not less than 30 infrastructures and no ha metima bo konkron ni nyina no for produce project ana enkwala ni school amukọ na enye zero to project cruise yesi bi ho from Mreku yesi bi ho krobi ofo no betenase yesi bi ho ayisa krom yesi bi ho Asante krom yesi bi ho ruuru yesi bi ho wenyina community a omoye de omuteye adawu mensa yesi bi ho Asensu yesi bi ho miami krom nyamie de so once for class ana kwala ni nante about 1 hour 45 minutes ko chochori yesi school da ho yasa mom school feeding program so moko ye no ka kire mo a oni MP ezutimi program the whole district na school feeding program one of 16 communities and the school feeding program under the 8 years of the NDC MDP Jabe 7 and I'm some kakra be dey ebe kan ye be jump on from the 16 no e dey bia ka ho amenne ye na close to 30 kobi te say yamfo school feeding program o ye dey bia ko no kobi te say ya anwefutu ye dey bia ko oba telecommunication akontom na mo ba na musuo se mo fa kwa ye mu ha efi akontom na kromu akwa bokosi enzara na network ni ba dia apart from akontom kromu ko krobi e for bokasko na network ni ho under the obaifo ayi bibi na efa info so obaifo no na ye kakra adona boy kwa no ya de or the 3 by or the baku krobi for one sample or the baku krobi on me friend no eye nkodum and or the baku krobi wo no mo omo friend esanse so within the 12 years as MP no only the DC lobby only 3 pe 3 yenye ba ye no because of nkamo what the DC ni MP term no ye de ba kwa kokuru be friend Kofi Kuro ye de ba kwa kokuru be friend Akakuru ye de ba kwa kokuru be on me friend Ntom ye de ba kwa kokuru be friend Kamukuru ye de ba kwa kokuru be on me friend Fakabra ye de ba kwa kokuru be on me friend Bawa Kuru ye de ba kwa kokuru be on me friend no eye Abroni hia this year and it won me through the DC any MP approval yes be another 12 before December mutie good for good na mo ka no eti ya Manchester boot na enyeyi me ba to utie me we did the 12 years of NDC our contom na so bi yare ya na de ne ye bobo entabo na de wato so wo wo na de ufie kura na de 190 na de aba clinic enti mi akasa me maame ano owu mimia anima ewo nyamie de so onyem a wo ne kan ye so an ye de nante be 2 hours to one sample owu wo kwantimfi enso bi okwan wo mfene so aba eso ba no na wo kan na ye den owo ye 12 years and NDC me MP ni DC tan so say kama sa de ni si DC yes MP executive munta be ne den MP ni DC ka champion MP ye wo sika bi wo no ma ye friend no eye what do you call it health insurance fund ye hwene be means will be on my better ambulance no this is the agreement by MP so good because me share ho into better ambulance within 2 years he provided 2 ambulances and he so nipa on table mu akontom na bio and abande na be come na kwaye 3 so akontom district is only district in Western Ofwa we have 3 ambulances in one district unprecedented putting the head of the people at the first peak because obewo fufu obesi school dan enipa na area that the first priority. The same DC ya nune MPI. I say when you have some project, you may be use bottom sika. I hear exercise books. Because I have no say koko ni one man sika ni ho. I won for kwa pen kwa ni bi ni ho. Emma, multimedia for we invited you. First set first 10,000 and so this younger say you bottom sika for additional 10,000 and so and MP say another 15,000 the year account. This is the type of combination I can say you want to for another 4 years. Then DC need to put as DC, not MP need to put as MP. I can't put to no and ye be it's shoe no my teacher any the way away MP shoe no more better chair. You understand? So we have a lot for control now. But the message a T4 and no be a motion and say and many you have specified in the constitution. The time is limit. Etumo most of the project na ye na ye bibiri ebu won so emiri e na project bibiri so won mo so a omo ba be sha ase ya kurum kwan the lobby na aba na amana hanto aso a the obeba no so different direction obey there obefa so anything na Ghana we have so many problems moko school won no a consec and the downfall of a consec here NDC akontomna the downfall a consec ngu yi nyina na NDC akontomna and the student who are consequently should hold the former MP responsible. Because what's on Mokoyano, almost the administration broke a kakapa, which was almost established in 2007. And you were back a bit of minor of your party, but we as all more twasso, no more completing. But our abandons our project, and on sudden in South car another project which is a year about almost 7 classroom block. And so we are now so a do baby no, or more abandon. And on Sunday and Sasso car, a year guest dormitory no, and so we do baby now so or more bandeno. And on Sunday and Sasso car, a year administrative block. They are not on 2 foot in that top no, and so then the Sakayano and on bandeno. So we did the 12 years of a quadrano. Apart from baby on me, they say a year home economics 4 room, which is 3 really classroom block. I'm the man, on them to Musi, Musis and Chroma, our year. Only that project and a pet and within the 12 years or TV or Naka in your second be no abandon the idea then, every go. You buy a DC catches as how grown up on a way of quadra. And the NDC are by the Acontono school one, almost human school in Yabasa. And it administrative block, contract any friendly book, Omakasado, and then the Kasai, the local get fan project, and yes, project. And more resist Cadabano, but project Yaban in 2007, or the bank Neka. Sicanito must say, a bossy boy on my day, or Mate. So the downfall of a consec, if there is any, should be blamed at the doorstep of what? The NDC, especially on our cabinet. So on a school I have but so far as we are in, I get my money see a get fund back over through the DC and MP. You see a year GMPC back over. Contractors and so on, a shop must say 7 rooms now. That contractor MPB cry, Nini Pebine, and also DC new Pina and Abba. And you didn't not get found on the sky. Omo pandia baby amokwa na omotwa bros foforo guo no omo pandia said the a year help no bandel no omo be sha asem my dey aye so you are going to complete all the most projects na requirement abandon no school no and to finish our own and also complete his it is the downfall of our consec no you first of one boy requirement our abandon good for good so never go good for good to abandon na homo go good for good match no konongo na afantoma there homo ni asenja kan ni ko good for good e bia na good for good no any other literacy meaning e bia na direct say homo ko kwese kan ya kwese kan ko yesa that this
in terms of developmental project
and I make a say yen ye homo 12 years no e take afantoma ko revert for 60 years yen 3 years na magbo bibiri a kire wo no. It's like almost 24 years in government. Obusa said your secret in Sentina and Kabumoha, I'm in Punto Eden, and the midway ma the other consequences, especially within the MPP. Baby be and Kabumo by default the Punto unity lies in what strength lies in unity. And your secret power controlling and Kabum. To be honest, so Bana, the MPC. You didn't see now, you know, before the year, penny, the sabum, yedi, and I can't say the MP any 2 seconds, this is better. Okazam DC any 2 seconds, MP better. Okachre area, the same thing. We are network. When I saw remember this day, I made this way, I had other concerns in the say. They should let the type of unity also a contomna within the MP, the DC, and the executive. They should copy it. I need the retail man put to reading. Now, my son's work point blank say. You're fighting there, you're written this in. I written your MP no. Omunaipe. And you share based on polling station promises name making yen. You won't say the DC affirm as a summary. At Tinyabo more than perform achieve about 89% achievement. Surely, I come back in the so we about 89%. And if your MP is also normal car bell or be better, and also the same 89%. Now, Kako say a contour pack, or can so be and send it to Aba, and we are a man percentage in the bed, a becosro, a be at a say or can other place for network or by lobby DC, Sasanti Krum, and so by Bemana Cosro. But so for me, no achievement in the DC are still around 89% in the market party, no, Yamakino. And the way you know, twice are a bear they say, a man best appointing bill for DCE for the next 2021 to 2024.